days passed, and a famous visitor came to the island of Sodor. He was at Titmus Sheds, and all the other engines, excluding Gordan, was there. He was getting his new whistle. Meanwhile, tourists flocked the engine and took notes and photos. All the attention was on the famous visitor. Who's that?
He's a celebrity.
A celery? I thought that was a vegetable. Tuck laughed and replied,
That's a vegetable. This is a celebrity. A celebrity is a very famous person. Well, I guess in this case, a famous engine.
Oh, I get it.
Driver says we'll be able to talk to him later.
Really? A famous engine like him would never notice us until Season 8, when we changed from hits slowly killing us.
At least you're in those seasons. I just disappeared until Season 12, and then disappeared again.
Just then, Gordan arrived with his new whistle.
Oh, this is just great. A new famous engine comes to town showing off. I come back with my whistle fixed. Oh, and this is just great. This is just freaking great! Nobody cares about this guy. This is just a lot of nonsense.
And Gordan steamed away in a huff. Later that night, at 3 a.m. Whoa. Wait a minute. 3 a.m.? That's freaking stupid! What is wrong with you engines? Anyway, they enjoyed talking to him, and so did the famous visitor, or whatever his name was. He wasn't conceited like most. He was a normal engine. Next morning, he left, but Gordan was still complaining.
Good riddance. He was going on talking at 3 a.m. Aren't you guys even tired?
No, we always stay up in the middle of the night. We always carry in the night train, or the mail train, or milk, or whatever it's called.
Well, that's stupid. Who was the guy anyways?
I told you before, he's famous in California, or pretty much wherever he lives in.
What, famous like me? Nonsense. No way.
He's much more famous than you. He went over 100 miles per hour before you even thought of.
Really? I don't like his looks. He could be lying. He has no dome. Never trust domeless engines. They're not respectable.
Hey!
Shut up, Spencer. You're not in this redub. Wait your turn.
Fine.
Now, where was I? Oh yes, now I never boast or joke around.
You're kidding, right?
Shut up, Quacky! I'm on a roll.
Domeless engines?
As I was saying, 100 miles an hour will be easy for me. So long, little munchkins.
And Gordan puffed away with his big blue boiler. Later, Duck delivered some trucks to Edward's station. Hello, Duck. Did you see the famous engine? He came through this morning. He was very kind.
He's the finest engine in the world.
Duck replied, and then told Edward what Gordan said. He's just jealous. He was jealous of Henry's for his new shape, and now he's jealous of the famous visitor for being famous. Give him some time to be jealous of someone else.
Look, he's coming now.
Gordan was running very fast. His wheels pounded the rails. I bet if the rails had a voice, it would say something like this. Ow, 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 it hurts, ow. Anyway, Gordan was chanting.
He did it, I'll do it. He did it, I'll do it.
Him and the express rocketed by and out of sight.
He'll knock himself to bits.
Or run off the rails. Either way, it'll teach him a lesson. He was running through Henry's forest when his driver eased him up. Slow down, Gordan. We're not running a race.
Then we are.
Gordan mumbled to himself. Suddenly, Gordan felt strange.
My dome feels funny, and not the ha-ha funny thing. It feels loose.
Gordan was right. It was loose. He was going so fast it made his dome loosen. He decided to go slower. He didn't want to lose it. Unfortunately, it was too late. Karma was already working up his magic. He reached the viaduct where he met the wind made by karma. It was a teasing wind. It would blow suddenly in hard puffs. This was trouble for Gordan. He didn't know until it was too late. He started to cross the bridge and he thought the wind wanted to push him off.
No, you don't! I'm not falling off the edge!
The wind had other ideas. It blew and curved around his dome until a whoosh of wind got under it and blew it off. Gordan's dome dropped down and with a splash, it landed in the valley below. Gordan felt silly without his dome. The wind seemed to laugh at him as he blew through where his dome was supposed to be. Later at the big station, the trucks giggled and laughed at Gordan.
Shut up! It's not funny!
He wished them, but they just crowded around and laughed. One even started a chorus.
Gordan caught in the yards looking very silly.
It is the famous visitor for being without a dome. Soon come a palamat with losing his dome.
Now Gordan is a domeless engine.
Shut up, or you will pay.
Sure we will.
Yeah, I'm afraid of losing my dome. Oh wait, I don't have a dome.
We all don't.
I guess we all have something in common with you, Gordy.
Oh, forget it.
Later on the way home to Tickman's sheds, Gordan asked his driver if he could look for his dome. Sorry, Gordan, we have to go to the works and get a new one. But first, let's get a good night to sleep.
Yeah, I hate your punishments. Karma alone is punishment enough.
Yes, but I will love to see your face when the engines tease you tonight.
You are so cruel.
Thank you. Those words mean so much to me.
Brother, I hope the sheds are empty tonight. Oh, of course the sheds are full. Of course, bring on the payback.
As Gordan turned around on the turntable, a voice said,
Never trust domeless engines. They aren't respectable.
Spencer!
It wasn't me.
I don't trust you.
Well, this is the end of my first redub. Hope you liked it. Hit the credits!
What credits? Ow! That freaking out, you know!